In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubdivide in Blender. First, make sure you have the Blender app downloaded and installed on your computer. Once you've got that ready, go ahead and open your Blender application. Now, if you have an existing project that you want to work on, this is the perfect time to open it. If not, feel free to start a new project, whichever suits your needs. Once you've got your project up and running, focus on the 3D viewport. This is where the magic happens. Take a look around your scene and left-click on the object you want to unsubdivide. This selects your object, making it ready for the next steps. Next, to enter edit mode, press the Tab key on your keyboard. You'll know you're in edit mode when you see the object's vertices, edges, and faces highlighted. Once you're here, you'll want to select the entire object. The quickest way to do this is by pressing the A key, which selects all elements in view. Now, turn your attention to finding the specific tool we need. Press F3 on your keyboard to bring up the search bar. This search function is incredibly handy and allows you to quickly find and activate various tools and commands in Blender. In the search field, type unsubdivide. As you type, you'll see a list of results appear. Click on the unsubdivide option from these results. Once you've selected unsubdivide, direct your gaze to the bottom left corner of the Blender interface. Here, you'll find a small panel that lets you tweak settings for the operation you just activated. In this panel, look for the parameter labeled Iterations. This setting controls how much the mesh is unsubdivided. You can adjust the iterations value by clicking and dragging, or by typing in a number, depending on how simplified you want your mesh to be. If you feel the need to unsubdivide further, you can press F3 again and select unsubdivide multiple times. This will simplify the mesh even more until it's as unsubdivided as it can be. However, note that there's a limit, and once the mesh can't unsubdivide anymore, it will simply stop. An important note here: if your mesh contains any triangles and you're having difficulties, you can easily convert them to quads. Simply press Alt along with J, and Blender will do a quick conversion, facilitating a smoother unsubdividing process. You might also find it helpful to compare the changes you've made. By pressing Ctrl and Z, you can undo your last step and then reapply the unsubdivide command to see the effect it has on your model. And there you have it. You now know how to unsubdivide your mesh in Blender. Congratulations on taking this step to refine your Blender skills. Keep practicing and stay tuned for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.